Chemelot InSciTe has accelerated biomedical and bio-based research. We lead the way to a sustainable and healthy society. Join us for a virtual tour through 2020. We drive collaboration so that knowledge has impact. Chemelot InSciTe brings together more than 35 partners in 21 different research projects. We create new value chains in chemistry and health between partners and the Brightlands campuses. We stimulate education and entrepreneurship. We train about 100 bio-based and biomedical professionals each year. And we help establish startups, 9 so far. COVID-19 brought us several challenges. Meetings became virtual. Research facilities at universities and hospitals closed their doors. Fortunately, our facilities stayed open, so research could continue. We started 2020 at a new office in Maastricht. We hired us from Medace. Later in the year, we welcomed 2 new board members, Fausto Gallucci from Eindhoven University of Technology and Eric Appelman from Chemelot Scientific Participations. Welcome to our team. We started 5 new research projects in 2020, 2 biomedical and 3 bio-based. Maastricht UMC Plus and DSM Biomedical will work together in WISE. They will develop an alternative treatment to relieve pain and improve mobility for patients with post-traumatic wrist osteoarthritis.
Enable patients to pursue their work, pursue their hobbies, and just enjoy their daily activities again.
IC is a spin-off of our SEAMS project, and this team will work on the improved surgical treatment of glaucoma patients.
We have still a large unmet need to treat glaucoma better than we do now.
We are now working on the fabrication of prototypes, and the next stage will be testing in vitro, and then testing in vivo is our goal.
In BM2C6, we are working with 2 new InSciTe partners, Torcol and Torgas. They will develop an innovative value chain from biomass to C6 monomers.
They're making major breakthroughs here. It's inspiring to see it. And we, particularly as a company, we want to participate in those projects that have impact, so that's why we joined.
A project team of Biceps will recycle plastic waste stream materials into new high-value applications, and this will reduce plastic waste.
The recycling is always downgrading of a material. We should aim at recycle to prime properties.
Loaded will use lignin oil to improve the properties of various materials and increase their bio-based content.
We want to play a major role and help accelerate the green carbon uptake throughout the value chain.
Hostia passed the safety and regulatory phases and received approval for their first in-human clinical trials.
It's great to be part of that committed team that really wants to make this work. What we do now really affects the lives of patients. That's great. That really gives me a very proud feeling.
SciCap. Thanks to promising results obtained in 2020, Dr. Alex Roth and Dr. Peter Emens decided to continue the project. They established Avalanche Medical. This new startup will continue SciCap's research and make this alternative treatment available to patients.
In order to make this product a success, we need good science. But in order to actually get it to the patient, that's where entrepreneurship comes in.
Our bio-based and biomedical facilities make that acceleration possible. Let's zoom in. In June, new installations became operational at the multi-purpose pilot plant at the Brightlands Chemelot campus. Entrepreneurs and researchers use these facilities to test chemical processes and innovative materials, and to scale up from lab to the factory. InSciTe spin-off Futuro will process the waste product lignin to produce green oil, a new feedstock for bioplastics, chemicals and fuel. The first crude lignin oil was presented to Joost van den Akker, former member of the Limburg Provincial Executive. The festive live broadcast attracted many interest participants, and they enjoyed the virtual tour through the facility. The biomedical facilities we rent from MedAce comprise 1,200 square meters of state-of-the-art R&D laboratories and Class B and ISO 7 clean room areas. Our research projects follow an accelerated path to the clinic in this open innovation environment. And that's possible thanks to the early application of regulatory and quality expertise. In just 4 years, InSciTe realized the Biomedical Accelerator Matrix, a model that brings biomedical innovations to the market or patients faster and more effectively. And this reduces the development time of innovations by 1 to 5 years. The approach is now ISO 13485 certified, the European quality standard for medical devices. In 2020, InSciTe's working model was recognized as the best European practice in the Interact MedTech for Europe program. Now it will be used as a collaborative model for other European regions too. Our annual meeting in September was a live stream event. This 2-hour show explored how we connect communities to accelerate the development of innovations.
To bring real science into products, we also need to do something else. We need to go to higher TRL levels, and that's an example of what is really done in InSciTe. And I think that's the strength of this institute.
Sustainability. I cannot stress it enough. We allow that to the future generations. They live on the planet when we are gone, and I think they deserve also a bright future.
We provide an inspiring educational program that prepares and equips the next generation of biomedical and bio-based materials professionals. In 2020, we transitioned to an online learning environment, and there we offered 8 different courses to almost 100 participants. Our life cycle assessment online course has become very popular. We make it available to academics, professionals in industry, PhDs and master students. We reach people who are not experienced in life cycle assessment, but would like to use it in their daily work.
And most of these people work on new innovations with the promise that it will be more sustainable. And I'm very enthusiastic that they will use the tools to figure out if it is more sustainable than the current solutions, and if not, how they could improve it.
Chemelot InSciTe has achieved a lot in its 7-year existence. Success is made possible by the close collaboration with our partners. Let's take a walk past our major milestones. In total, we have employed 235 FTE, and we have applied for 8 patents. 17 projects have been launched and 4 EU projects have started. Local employment has been boosted, and last but not least, 9 startups have been established with our help. And yes, we're proud of that. We have built a strong community, and our growing knowledge and expertise are a springboard for innovations. Innovations from our partners that promote health and well-being and increase sustainability, both now and in the years to come. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.